Welcome to our vine cake. Isn't she stunning? Such a beautiful, elegant design created for a gorgeous marquee garden style wedding. This beautiful three-tier version we have here involves hundreds of individually cut out petals, all handcrafted, all stuck on individually with our sugar glue onto this beautiful cake, piece by piece. We've used fondant mixed with some tylose for these beautiful leaves, just to give it a bit more shape and stability, especially in the warm, humid weather we were having in the month of January. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.